A world-class city like Melbourne deserves a world-class train, and now it has 70 of them. Melbourne's bigger, better trains, the high-capacity metro trains, or HCMTs, are now all in passenger service, helping move Australia's fastest-growing city. Downer, as part of the Evolution Rail Consortium, delivered the largest single order of trains in Victoria's history on behalf of the Victorian Government.
The trains were assembled in Melbourne's west at Downer's Newport facility. Over the last 7 years, Newport has been home to over 200 people who manufacture bogies, wheels and assemble the trains across 8 stations. Every 3 weeks, a 7-car set was assembled with 60% local content, resulting in 1,100 jobs created and 800 million invested across the Victorian supply chain. Once assembled, the trains were hauled to our state-of-the-art maintenance facility in Pakenham East for testing and commissioning.
At 118 hectares, the Pakenham East depot is the largest of its kind in Australia, with maintenance capacity for 80 trains. Equipped with the only test track in Victoria, testing can take place in a safe environment, while minimising network disruption for passengers. The depot was constructed using 90% local content and awarded Sustainability and Environmental Excellence at the 2022 Australasian Railway Industry Awards. Once tested, the trains entered passenger service, supporting the Cranbourne, Pakenham and Sunbury lines.
I am incredibly proud to have contributed to the delivery of Melbourne's high-capacity metro trains, the city's first newly designed train in over 20 years. Our efforts have resulted in a train that not only looks great, but also sets a new standard for efficiency and inclusivity. The trains have 20% more capacity, 28 spaces for wheelchairs and other mobility devices in each 7-car train, additional headroom for guide dogs, automatic ramps and gangway barriers to help those with vision impairment. This was truly a team effort with extensive collaboration and engagement with various stakeholders, empowering us to produce Melbourne's most accessible train.
In partnership with the Department of Transport and Planning, a 12-month engagement process was conducted involving 32 groups. Over 2,500 pieces of feedback were received, with 157 passenger design changes incorporated. This was the most significant engagement undertaken to support the introduction of a new train in Victoria and was awarded finalist for the IAP2 Awards.
This project owes its success to our dedicated team. I want to thank every individual involved across the supply chain. Your capability and effort have been instrumental in delivering 70 HCMTs, marking a step change in Melbourne's public transport.
For Australia's fastest growing city, new technology will revolutionise Melbourne's train network, moving towards a turn-up-and-go network. The HCMTs are the only trains to operate through the Metro Tunnel and are the only trains on the network to be fitted with high-capacity signalling, which is also the first time this signalling has been integrated with an existing signalling system on a network anywhere in Australia. This signalling means the trains can safely move closer together, allowing for more frequent services.
I hope the passengers enjoy the ride on the 70 new trains.
And for 30 years, the Melbourne team will undertake all maintenance activities to ensure they remain reliable, comfortable and safe, enabling our Melbourne community to thrive.